Good evening, everyone. This is our next video series on exams for Microsoft certification, and we are about to see two different video series here, 4.0 and 5.0. In 4.0, I'm going to cover two different examination topics. One is Excel Core, that is 77727. This is one of the examinations that we write for the basic certifications of Excel 2016. And we can also write one more examination which is called Excel Expert 2016 77728. In this two series of video, I'm going to cover the contents here which is given by Sir report to us, and we have a 5 topic in here. A week I'm planning to cover 5 topic on core, and I have somewhere around again the same kind of 5 topics or 4.5 topics. Here are the 4 topics in expert, but again expert will take a little longer than normal, so we will take another 5 weeks in it. So I'm going to put a data part or maybe one topic a week, so probably in 5 weeks you will be ready in both expert examination in 2016 and as well as in 2019. So I'm planning to add the first series of data that is called 4.0 exam series. That's going to give you 77727's ideology and 77728 ideology. I'll be adding one more video to our snippet. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe it. The first exam allows you to get the examination certification for core. The second exam is going to give you the ideology of expert examination in 2016. I'm going to do one more series simultaneously with this point that is called 2019. You're going to get an Excel associate examination and Excel expert examination in 2019 Office 365. If you want more detail about it, just mail me on learn@iselfacademy.com. I will forward the detail to you, and you learn the data from me. Examination purposes, we can write the examination too from iSelf Academy, because we are the Microsoft authorized testing center in Tamil Nadu. So if you're looking forward for writing an examination, you can call us and you can write your examination at the comfort of your place. You don't want to travel to my place. So I'll be adding one more video. Hope you're going to learn, or hope you're going to prepare for yourself to become a Microsoft certified person, either on the Office specialization or on expert of Excel of it. So do subscribe it, do share it to as many people as you can. Let them subscribe my channel so that they get to know how to crack the examination of Excel Core and Excel Expert in both 2016 and as well as in 2019 version in just 5 weeks time. So our video starts from July 1st week. So by July end, you are ready to write the examination. You can take up 3 demo examinations and 1 final examination. By first week of August, you can become a certified Excel user in any version that you wish to become. This is Vinod signing off from iSelf Academy and Excel Snippet. Wait for my next week video. We are starting with the contents of Excel Core and Excel Expert on 2016 and 2019. Take care. See you then.